This channel earns $335,000 per year by uploading short videos that aren't even theirs. I'll demonstrate how they do it without shooting, editing, or even revealing their faces. Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Making Money Both Online and Offline. I'm thrilled to have you here again. Today, let's talk about how to make money in 2023 using YouTube Shorts. So grab your favorite snack and let's get started. Actually, according to support.google.com, revenue sharing for short advertisements will begin on February 1st, 2023, which implies that YouTube will pay Shorts creators their portion of YouTube ad income for the first time. As a result, all makers of TikTok and Instagram Reels will migrate to YouTube, and I will show you how to take advantage of this before anybody else. I'll teach you exactly how to make over $22,000 per month from YouTube Shorts without having to record, edit, or even show your face in this video. In fact, I'll reveal a hidden market that pays people like you to submit short films to YouTube that aren't even your own. Now let us get started. How did I discover this? I started with YouTube's hashtag Shorts. As you can see, I just googled hashtag Shorts. It will open the short shelf, which has 424 million videos. It may appear to be a large number, yet YouTube contains hundreds of billions of videos. As a result, we are still in the early phases, and if you scroll down, you will see that all I did was search for faceless short films. As you can see, a handful has surfaced, like this Minecraft video, which is similar to a game but does not reveal anyone's face. Other videos include hilarious and sports videos, which is how I discovered this particular niche. I just scrolled all the way down, and if you search hashtag Shorts plus hilarious TikTok here, you'll see videos with 16 million, 9.5 million, 16 million, and 1.3 million views from all of these various channels. So what we're going to do is fine, because I'm going to teach you how to obtain those films really quickly and how to duplicate them to make them copyright free. First, let me show you a channel. This is one example over here, and these channels, like Meme Trap, are simply reposting a video from TikTok. Well, 426,000 have a video dubbed Memes that I discovered on TikTok Part 12. It's a series and it has 52 million views, which is simple. This channel solely posts TikTok humorous compilation videos, including portions 13 through 15, and they routinely collect 52 million, 29 million, 9.3 million, 4 million, and 6 million views, right? We can observe this by looking at socialblade.com, a fantastic website to figure out how much various channels earn. That makes sense since they receive between 190,000 and 234,000 views every day, which is a large number of views and a large number of marketeers advertising on top of these movies. Now, what we're going to do is you go ahead and get clips, alright, hilarious clips, and we're going to click talk over here. It is stated that they make around $8,000 per month or $35,000 per year. We'll get to this count called Funny Clips 17382, so if you have to pause the video, do so here. Also, make sure to visit this TikTok page. A lot of viral videos aren't their own, they're just re-uploading different, funny TikTok videos from other accounts and kind of mixing them up. As a result, you'll find some of the most popular videos such as this one with 1.6 million views, and this one with 3.1 million views. As a result, we'll click on this video, which will take us here. And as you can see, the horse is fleeing from him. He was thinking to himself, "Why is the human walking me? I should walk him." And then he ran away. Well, it's really amusing. So let's start by clicking the share button and copying the URL. It is the initial step. Then we'll go to this software in the upper left corner, copy that URL, and push the green button. That will lead us here. Then we will click the blue button, which will upload the movie to your computer's folder and place it on your desktop. We can now alter the movie to make it unique after you have it on your computer by hitting this button. To do this, we will go to canva.com, a free Photoshop editing program. Okay, We now have the video, and it's nice since it eliminates the watermark. As you can see, there are few watermarks scattered around the movie. This tool will remove the watermark, so we now have a movie without it. But we must first make it unique. We'll press, then search for mobile video, make a blank mobile video, then drag and drop it into Canva. As you can see, we can make it full screen and full size, and we'll add some unique aspects. Scroll down to see it reduced to a little banner at the top. Now that we've got it, we can copy it by right-clicking it, scrolling down, and changing the color to white. Next, we'll go to the text and write some text, including a black and bold subheading, and exclaim, "Very amusing." Is this question mark, which we'll drag up here, add additional text, another subheading, and say rate this from 1 to 10 down there. Alright, then we'll make that bigger so it fits. Boom! Which will increase engagement since people will be viewing the video right now. How hilarious is this now that it has subtitles? When people leave comments, this video will loop twice, 3 times, and 4 times. This will increase the average view time above 100, placing you at the 200 to 300% since someone commented and the video continued to play, causing it to get extremely popular on YouTube's Shorts shelf. We customized your proven viral video and made it our own after it went viral on another site. Now that it has the potential to become popular on YouTube, we're going to share it, download it to our computer, and then publish it to our channel. Yeah, so we're going to put it here. I term it a humorous TikTok hashtag shorts collection. It will bring up the boom, which we can copy and paste into the description. We'll scroll down and add some tags to YouTube so that it has the essential metadata. These tags are vital for search ranking, so we'll put funny TikTok compilation, funny TikTok video, and continue to add those keywords. So funny TikTok compilation, funny TikTok video, and funny TikTok compilation. Fill in the blanks with the TikTok horse box and any additional selections you desire up to a maximum of 500. And that's the end of today's video. We sincerely hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, help us out by giving us a thumbs up and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to make sure you never miss out on our next videos. See you at the next one.